to see us.
Hi, my name is Todd Russo. I'm the owner and founder of REEIS Air, Plumbing, Electric, and Home Performance. I started REEIS because coming from the home building industry, I kept seeing home service companies offer solutions that didn't actually solve problems. I wanted to build a company that truly educated its employees to provide homeowners with real solutions that improve their home's comfort, reliability, and energy efficiency, while also delivering convenience and peace of mind. We started REEIS in 2009 as an air conditioning company, but we've grown into a complete home service provider for Arizona homeowners. With the addition of plumbing and electrical services, we now are the go-to team for honest, high quality, and reliable service. Whether it's air conditioning, heating, plumbing, electric, or home performance improvements such as insulation, we're here to keep your home running smoothly. Whether it's an emergency repair, a whole home maintenance plan, an equipment replacement, or an upgrade like an electric car charger, our goal is simple. We want our customers to be happy to see us. That's why we do things differently. Our team is made up of highly trained HVAC, plumbing, and electrical professionals focused on delivering honest, high-quality repairs and maintenance you can trust. REEIS is one of the only locally owned and operated home service providers left. Since 2009, we remain focused on what truly matters: our customers, our employees, and our community. Our REEIS, you'll be happy to see us, jingle is even recorded by my own 6-year-old daughter. At REEIS, you'll be happy to see us isn't just a slogan, it's our promise. We go above and beyond to ensure every customer receives the best possible service. No matter the situation, our goal is simple. When we arrive, you'll truly be happy to see us. At REEIS, we recommend our Happy Home Club memberships to our customers. These plans provide priority scheduling, exclusive discounts, and over $1,000 in HVAC, plumbing, and electrical maintenance, plus an annual filter subscription. With these plans starting at as low as $159.99, it's easy to keep your home running smoothly year-round. REEIS, we know you'll be happy to see us.
REEIS, call REEIS. You'll be happy to see us.